Hey everyone, in this episode, we're going to discuss the comparison of health checks provided by Amazon Route 53, application load balancer, and auto scaling groups. Health checks are critical for maintaining the reliability and availability of your applications in AWS. So for huh? so for Route 53 health checks, purpose to monitor the health of resources both inside and outside AWS and route traffic accordingly. So for features, health checks can be performed on endpoints like IP, domain, or service, reachable via HTTP, HTTPS, or TCP. It supports string matching for HTTP responses to verify application level health. Allows health check threshold. Example, consider unhealthy after X consecutive failures. Okay, so can integrate with DNS failover to reroute traffic away from unhealthy resources. It supports CloudWatch alarms for notifications and automated actions. So frequency configurable between 10 to 30 seconds. For scope, external health checks from AWS servers across multiple regions. So for use case, ideal for global traffic management and DNS failover scenarios. For application load balancer health checks, its purpose is to ensure traffic is routed only to healthy targets, EC2 instances, containers, or etc. Features supports health checks for targets and target groups, HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, or gRPC. Configurable path-based checks, example health/health, to validate application level health. Parameters like healthy threshold number of consecutive successes to mark a target as healthy, unhealthy threshold number of consecutive failures to mark a target as unhealthy, and interval and timeout for checks. So results directly after the ALB routing behavior. So for frequency, configurable between 5 and 300 seconds, I mean. And for the scope, internal to the ALB and the associated targets, local health checks. And for use case, best for load balancing within a single region or VPC. So for auto scaling group, ASG health checks, the purpose is to maintain desired capacity by replacing unhealthy instances. For the features, can use EC2 instances status checks and ALB health checks if attached to an ALB. It monitors instance level health, CPU, memory, or other custom metrics via Amazon CloudWatch, connectivity and instance life cycle events, and it automatically replaces unhealthy instances to maintain availability. So for the frequency, not directly configurable, depends on integrated health checks like ALB or EC2 status checks. So for the scope, instance level health checks, and for the use case, ideal for scaling and maintaining the health of the compute layer. So which to use when? Route 53 for global availability and redundancy, example failover between regions or data centers. For the ALB for balancing traffic and ensuring target health within a single region or VPC, and ASG for maintaining compute capacity by automatically managing instances. You can combine these services for highly available architectures, such as using Route 53 for failover, ALB for load balancing, and ASG for auto health healing and scaling. All right, so cool. That's it. Bye.